to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. Are you guys even old enough to know what character I am? I think so. It's not quite that old. This movie, Pinocchio, isn't quite that old that I don't think there are kids that are too young to actually know what the movie is. If anything, you've probably heard of it. Maybe you haven't watched it, but you've probably heard of it. So anyway, I have created my version of Pinocchio. Gloves are supposed to be white, but I have red gloves and it kind of matches. So that's the look that I created today. I actually looked on eBay to try and find a hat, and there was a hat on eBay for like $35. It was called the Pinocchio hat. I was like, ain't no way I'm spending $35 just for a prop. So I went to the op shop, found this straw hat for $3. I painted it yellow, bought some blue ribbon, and put in a couple little red feathers in there, and I've gotten myself a hat for under $7. So don't underestimate what you can find at the op shop. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. I don't really have it too much to say about it. Hope you enjoyed the intro. Hope you enjoyed the process of creating it. It has a little bit more detail on it than some of the other looks that I've come up with. Sorry, let me just pull my pants up. I created the little vest right there, the little suspender straps right there, the sleeves, the collar, the hat. I don't know, came together pretty cute, I reckon. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. I have one more video coming up after this one in my Halloween series for this month, and I just want to thank all of you guys for the engagement, for the love, for the support, and for being interested in watching my body painting videos. I'm really super thankful for you guys' interest and watching my videos. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Thumbs up if you like it, subscribe if you haven't, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun creating this look. In fact, I've had so much fun in this entire Halloween series. It has been a lot of fun for me. It has taken a little bit out of me to find the time to sit down and get motivated to actually do it, but once I'm doing it, the hours fly past, because literally this has taken me about 3 hours. Probably, you know, didn't have to take me that long, but I like to take my time and add the detail and whatnot. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, like it if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.